Welcome to my channel. This is Isgoshito, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems and also provide very important information that you can make use of for you to have better performance in your technical drawing examinations. You are watching my video for the first time. I want to say thank you, and I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me share my videos with your friends who are technical drawing students. Very important, this is a practical subject, and you need to practice it. When you practice it, you will definitely master it. It requires a constant practice. All right, so right now I want to work on this mechanical problem. As you can see here, we have mechanical drawing and it carries 70 marks. As you can see it written here. Okay, let's first of all see the instruction and the questions that we have to solve here. As you can see, we have figure 2 shows the elevation and plan of a machine casting. Draw in full size in third angle projection the following views. So question A says that the elevation as shown. Question B says that the sectional plan, so the section being taken on the line BB, and question C says that the sectional elevation taken on the line AA looking in the direction of the arrows. And we have a note here that all dimensions are in millimeters. Dimensions not given are to be estimated. All hidden details must be included. Include all dimensions. So I'm not going to include all dimensions because of time. So I believe you should be able to do that yourself. So I'm going to answer each of these 3 questions right now. Now, in the question, here we have that the show elevation and plan is an error. So that's an error because looking at what I see here, this is the front elevation and this is an end elevation, so it is not a plan. So we are not given a plan here, we are only given the front elevation and the end elevation. So that is an error in the, so I think somebody typed it, so it may be from that person. Okay, so we want to work on the front elevation first, as we are asked to draw the elevation or the front elevation as shown. So we are asked to replicate this, and I want to tell you, so don't think this is just something it is simple, so I can just I can do it. Yeah, I believe that you can do it, but it's a bit technical, so which I'm going to show you how to do now. So so looking at what we have here, total distance from here to here is 164, but though we're asked to draw a full size, I'm not going to draw a full size, but I'm going to divide each dimension by 2 because these are very large dimensions. So I'm going to divide each one by 2. That means I'm drawing half size of this given dimension. So distance from here to here is 164. The thickness from here to here for this rectangle is 20. So I'll be bringing in the question once I'll bringing the question whenever I want to draw any part. So that's how I'm going to do it. So I'm first of all going to start with this rectangle, so whose length is 164, and 164 by 2 will give us 82. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do here, is to draw a center line. We are drawing in third angle projection, so we have to bear that in mind. So that means we are repositioning the front elevation, the plan, and the end elevation. So so I'll first of all draw a vertical center line like this. Okay, then so here I'm going to draw horizontal line here. So for this horizontal line that I've drawn, so 82 by 2, so that will give us 41. So 82 by 2 will give us 41. So don't forget that I'm drawing half size, so I'm dividing each given dimension by 2. So 164 by 2, that is 82. 82 by 2, that will give us 41. So So I'm taking 41 from the center to the left side, and from center to the right side 41. So then I will take, instead of 20 of the width of that rectangle, I will take 10 millimeters. So this is 10 millimeters. So I'm going to, so I will draw a horizontal line here, and to make it a rectangle, so I'm going to draw a vertical line here, like this, as we have in the question. Okay, so I've drawn that. So within this rectangle, we have two holes. So we have two holes. So this is one hole here, and this is one hole here. So, and the center distance of the hole, okay, so as we have from this center line here, which is the middle of the whole of this body, so we have that the center distance from here to the center of the circle here, of the hole here, is 70. So the same thing from here to here is 70 millimeters. So 70 by 2, that is 35. So it is that 35 that I'm going to take from the center here to here, and from here to here, to get the center of the hole. So I will take 35 millimeters. So 35 millimeters from here. Now, supposing I have it in hard copy now, I will have loved that. So I'll take 35 from here to here. So this is 35. So this is 35 millimeters, and I'll also take 35 from here. So that is 70. Okay, so here I'm going to draw a vertical center line. Okay, so here also I will draw a vertical center line. Okay, so the diameter of the hole is 12 millimeters. So 12 by 2, that is 6. 6 by 2 give us 3. So I will take 3 millimeters from the center here. So this is 3 millimeters. So I will also take the same thing to the right side. So I will also do the same thing here. So 3 millimeters from the center to 1, 2, 3. So to the left side, and 3 millimeters to the right side here. So I'm going to draw short dashes line because it is hidden in the elevation. So I'm also going to make it hidden. All right, next thing that we are going to do is to work on this part here. So I want to work on this part. So before I come to the web, so this thing here is called a rib. So we have the ribs here. So, and then we are told here that thickness of all ribs is 10 millimeters, and all fillet radius is 5. So I want to work on this, as I said. So, and then we are told that from the center here to this point on this rib here is 32. From here to here is also 32. So I'm going to take a measurement of 16 millimeters from the center here, and from here to here. Then I will take 5 millimeters instead of 10. I will take 5 millimeters to get this. And then we have the distance from this point here to the center of this of the hole here to be 90. So I'll be taking 45 for that. Let's see how that can be done. So the next thing I have to do from here, so I'm going to take 16 millimeters to the left side and 16 millimeters to the right side here. 16 millimeters to the right side. So then from here I will take 5 millimeters. I will take 5 millimeters for the rib. And here also I will also take 5 millimeters. 5 millimeters for the rib. There is 5. So I'm going to draw a vertical line. So from here, Okay, we also draw a vertical line from here. Okay, so vertical line here. There is also a vertical line. All right, so I'll be taking a measurement. So I'll be taking a measurement of 45 millimeters from here, from this point. So 45 millimeters up. So this is 45. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line here. Here I will draw a horizontal line. All right, so then the height from here to here. So from here to here, so we have gotten the center. The height from here to here, so it's given here in the end elevation. It's given the end elevation. Here we have that for this circle here, for this outer circle, so the diameter is 38. For the inner circle, diameter is 18 millimeters. So we are going to divide each of that by 2. So that's what I'm going to do. So 38 by 2, that will give us 19, and 19 by 2, that will give us 9.5. That is 9.5. So I'm going to take 9.5 millimeters down and up and down. So 9.5 down here. So this is 9.5. Here like this. Then I will take 9.5 up, so making it 19. So here I'm going to draw a horizontal line. Okay, so draw a horizontal line like this. Also come up here, I will draw a horizontal line. So the thickness of that part is 25 millimeters. If you look at the question, it's 25 millimeters. So 25 by 2, that's 12.5 millimeters. So I'll just make it so from, okay, so so this is 5 already. So 5 from 12.5, that will be 7.5. So I'll just take 4 to the left side. So 4 to the left side. Now I'll take 4 to the right side. Okay, so that's what I will do. So that that will not stress me. So 4 to the left side, 4 to the right side here. So okay, here I'm going to draw a vertical line here, like this. Here I will also draw a vertical line. Then I'll do the same thing here, draw a vertical line here. And here I will also draw a vertical line. All right, so the work is coming out. This is mechanical drawing, so it's going to take time, so we have to be patient. Okay, so even the building drawing is also it takes time to work things out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do here, so as I said that the inner hole here, the diameter is 18. So 18 by 2, that will give us 9. So 9 by 2, that will give us 4.5. So I'm going to take a measurement of 4.5 up and down. So from the middle, so I'll take 4.5 down, 4.5 up. So yeah, so then here I'm going to draw a horizontal line from here to here and from here to here. So okay, so I'll also draw a horizontal line from here to here. Okay, so let's look at the next thing that we are going to do. All right, let's work on the fillets. So we are told that the radius of the fillet is 5 millimeters. So let me show you where we have the fillet. As you can see on the screen, we have a fillet here, fillet here, fillet here, here, and we have fillet here. So the same applies to this part: fillet here, fillet here, fillet here, fillet here, and we also have fillet here and here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use 3 millimeters for the fillet. I'm going to use 3 millimeters. So I'm going to produce them while I pause the video. So just let me show you a little part of it. So before I pause the video, if I want to produce the fillet around here, so I'm going to take a measurement of 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeters here. So this is 3 millimeters. So I will also take 3 millimeters from here to here. So this is 3 millimeters. So I will also take 3 millimeters. So from here up. So this is 3 millimeters here. So here I'll just draw a horizontal line. Just draw a horizontal line like this. So it will also apply to this. So then here I will draw a vertical line. It's a vertical line here like this. So here I will draw a vertical line like this. So this square that I've produced, so it's the one I'm going to use. So I can just use my hand to get the curve out like this, as you can see it. So I will also use my hand to get the curve out. So if you think you cannot do it as I'm doing it here, please make use of your French curve or use your compass. But I know that that's going to be somehow uneasy. So just try to use your French curve. So I'm going to produce the rest. Then when I'm done, I will come back and show you the next thing that we are going to do. All right. So I've produced the fillet, and also I've taken the parts that are supposed to be taken out of what we have done. So just look at it as you can see it here. The next thing I'm going to do is to produce the web. So this is the web. So we have one web here, we have one web here, and we also have one in the middle here. So what I just need to do from here is to draw a line. So I'll just draw a line. So the line ends exactly on this point here. Okay, so it ends here. So it ends on this point here. So I'll just join. So draw this like this. I'll also do the same thing here. Okay, so I'll do the same thing here for the web. Okay, so this is the web. So we have produced the web as you can see here. So we also have one around here. So and the height of that, so I'm coming. So this is it. So the web is what is here, this part here that you can see here. So and the distance from this point to the top of this web here is 36 millimeters. It's 36. So I'm going to take 18 millimeters from here. So from here I will take 18 millimeters. So I'll just come here. So I'm going to take 18 millimeters from here. So this is 18 millimeters. So I'm going to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line here because we also have fillet on this. So it is that fillet that will bring out the shape. So I'm going to take a measurement. So I'll pause the video and produce the fillet. Then when I'm done, you will see it. All right, so I've produced the fillet. So then the web that we have down here, so is what you can see here. So this is the main diagram that we are given. So everything that we have on this diagram has been put here, and this is the given front elevation. And do not forget that I divided all the dimensions by 2. That means I produced half size of the given view or given dimension. So it's as simple as I've done it here. So we meet on the sectional views. So we are going to work on the sectional plan on plane BB. So as you can see here, so this is plane BB. So we are cutting this part, we are cutting it off, and we are only drawing the sectional plan, so you see it. And also we are going to produce sectional and sectional front elevation or sectional front elevation, so on plane AA. So this is plane AA, that is put on the end elevation. So we are going to work on that. So thank you and God bless you.